Triangular bandage elevation sling. Position the triangular bandage over the injured arm and apex toward the elbow. Wrap the bandage around the whole arm and gather the loose end at the elbow. Twist the loose end so that they don't fall out. And bring both ends together and secure it at the injured site. We use again the square knot, right over left and left over right. Triangular bandage, elevation sling.